Admin professional careers are dependent on records management within an organization. Failure to manage both strategic and administrative records exposes organizations to the risk of financial loss, corporate failure, and breach of confidentiality. The Records Management Systems course at Gap Management Institute exposes admin professionals to modern systems of records management, emerging trends of record staking, maintenance and keeping. The course gives an opportunity to teams to acquire modern skills in both business and organizational records maintenance and management systems, putting emphasis on records security, integrity, professionalism, and confidentiality. Enroll for this course at Gap Management Institute, and improve your general knowledge on records management systems.